Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Shruti Jaggi, your science educator. So today we are going to start with our next topic of chapter 2, classic science components of food. But before starting, let's quick revise the topic which we studied in previous class. Okay, so what we studied in last class? About different components of food, right? Different components of food: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, test for carbohydrates, test for fats, test for proteins. What are the different sources of carbohydrates, fats and proteins? Today we are going to start with our next topic, that is vitamins and minerals. Okay, so with the help of some slides, I'll explain the rest of the topic so that the topics will be more clear to you all. So let me show some slides. So next important food component is vitamins. So vitamins are essential for growth, to keep the body healthy and to fight against diseases. So they are required in very small quantities. Okay. So most food items have vitamins. The human body needs vitamin A, vitamin B complex, C, D, E and K. So they are essential for the proper working of the body. If our diet is lacking in any vitamin, we may suffer from certain diseases, and that diseases are called deficiency diseases. We will study about deficiency diseases later in this chapter. Okay, so some of the vitamins are given on your book on page number 15. Vitamin A, and the function of vitamin A is that it keeps eyes and skin healthy. And what are the food sources of vitamin A? You can find vitamin A in green leafy vegetables, pumpkin, ripe, mango, tomato. And vitamin B keeps muscles, brain and nerves healthy. It helps in making red blood cells. Okay, and what are the food sources of vitamin B? Whole grain, nuts, gram, bean, peas, soya bean, etc. Vitamin C keeps gums and skin healthy. It helps to heal cuts. It builds immunity. And all the citrus fruits, जितने भी citrus fruits होते हैं, like fresh lemon, orange, sweet lime, okay, उसमें हमारा vitamin C present होता है. Vitamin D makes bones and teeth strong and healthy. And what are the food sources of vitamin D? Fish, eggs and some mushrooms. So that's all about vitamins. So what is the function of vitamin? क्या function है? What are the functions of vitamins? They protect against diseases and it keeps eyes, bones, teeth and gums stronger. Okay, so vitamin K is also there. Vitamin K helps to clot the blood. Okay, so next important food component is minerals. So minerals, our body needs minerals for its proper functioning, normal growth and good health. And they are also needed by our body in small amounts. They do not supply any energy to the body. Their deficiency in our diet also led to deficiency diseases. So some of the minerals are calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium. Okay. So these are the important minerals that is needed by our body. So these minerals are used by our body in the form of their salts. Okay. So when we talk about minerals as a component of food, it actually means mineral salts. So let's study the functions of some of the minerals in our body. Okay. So minerals, we use minerals in our day-to-day life, like when we eat food that contains salt, we are eating minerals, because salt is sodium chloride. So sodium as well as chlorine, they are the minerals. Okay, and when we drink water from a glass, we are using minerals because water contains calcium also. Okay, so these are some of the minerals and the function of minerals are given. So calcium, the sources of calcium, you can find calcium in milk and green leafy vegetables. What are the functions of calcium? It strengthens the bones and teeth and helps in clotting of blood. Next is phosphorus. The sources of phosphorus are cereals, pulses, that is dal, and milk. And what is the function of phosphorus? That it strengthens bones and teeth. Next, iron. Iron sources: cereals, pulses, meat and green leafy vegetables. And what is the function of iron? It actually helps in the formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. now you may ask, your question is कि what is hemoglobin? Actually you know that ना कि हमारा blood का color red होता है. तो the color of the blood is red because it is due to the presence of hemoglobin in blood. That's why the color of the blood is red. Okay. So iodine sources are fish and salt, and it is required for proper working of the thyroid gland. Okay, एक ग्लैंड होता है आपके नेक में, थायराइड ग्लैंड. ओके, उसे ये इसके बारे में भी आप डिटेल में हायर क्लासेस में पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट आपका इंपॉर्टेंट मिनरल आता है सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम, एंड द सोर्सेज ऑफ सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम आर सॉल्ट एंड मोस्ट फूड आइटम्स, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग बॉडीज वाटर बैलेंस. ओके, सो मिनरल्स क्यों ज़रूरी हैं? स्ट्रॉन्ग बोन्स के लिए, स्ट्रॉन्ग टीथ के लिए, स्किन के लिए, नर्व फंक्शंस के लिए. ओके, सो नाउ let's talk roughage. Next important component of food is roughage. So roughage is indigestible portion of food derived from plants. Now there are a lot of things which can't be digested by human beings. However, it can't be digested. It will be helpful for us. Do you know why we will discuss this? Because it helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Undigested food comes with our stools, and when the amount of roughage increases, so the bulk increases, so the stool becomes softened and egestion becomes easier. So what is egestion? The removal of undigested food, okay, from the body. The removal of undigested food from the body. And what are the disadvantages of roughage? If you are eating so much of roughage, then what are the disadvantages? It doesn't provide any nutrient as much. ऐसे इतने nutrient नहीं provide करते. As well, gas production can happen. Okay, so gas production can also happen due to excess. अगर आप excess में ले रहे हो fiber, so what is the function of fiber? That fiber doesn't provide any nutrients to the body. It should form a part of our daily diet because it helps in removing waste material from the digestive system out of the body. All fresh vegetables and fruits are rich in fiber. Okay. So water. Next important component of food is water. So and food rich in roughage, मैंने आपको already बता दिया है. All fresh vegetables and fruits are rich in fiber. Are you getting my point? Okay. So next important component of food is water. So if you are taking less water, lot of problem can start taking place. Okay. So transport of nutrients to different cells of body. So ये water की वजह से होता है, because water has a ability to flow. एंड ब्लड का जो मेन कॉम्पोनेंट, ब्लड में जो मेनली होता है वाटर ही होता है कॉम्पोनेंट. सो इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स द रिमूवल ऑफ वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम द बॉडी. सो क्या चाहिए? वी नीड वाटर बिकॉज वाई? Because it is a major component of the blood and every cell. It maintains body temperature, it helps in digestion, it helps in cleaning blood by forming urine. So you know that water makes up about 70% of body weight, and water plays an important role in the body system. So these are the functions of water, as I already told you. Okay. So water, what provides water to our body? किससे मिलता है हमें water? What will happen if we do not eat enough food? Our body would not get enough energy as it needed by body, and body will not be able to do its job. So that would result to the deficiency diseases. Okay, so and also before deficiency diseases, one more topic is there, that is डिहाइड्रेशन. डिहाइड्रेशन क्या होता है? एक्सेसिव लॉस ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द टिश्यूज ऑफ द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड डिहाइड्रेशन. आपको पता है समर्स में ज़्यादा होता है, बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी में वाटर की जो क्वांटिटी, वाटर की जो जितना होना चाहिए उतना होता नहीं है आपकी बॉडी में वो वाटर. सो दैट्स वाई आपकी कौन सी डिजीज़ आपको क्या हो जाता है? डिहाइड्रेशन. एंड इन दैट केस आप क्या लेते हो? ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन सॉल्यूशन इज़ यूज टू ट्रीट. ORS. Have you heard this word? ORS. Okay. So how to beat dehydration? कैसे बीट कर सकते हो आप डिहाइड्रेशन को? By taking यस, राइट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, जितना हमें वाटर चाहिए, अगर आप उतना ही वाटर लोगे तो आप डिहाइड्रेशन आपको नहीं होगा. एंड एज वेल एज इफ़ यू आर सफर इफ़ मे बी अगर आपको डिहाइड्रेशन हो रहा है, देन यू कैन टेक ORS, एंड ORS इज़ यूज टू ट्रीट डिहाइड्रेशन. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडे. हमने आज क्या क्या पढ़ा, व्हाट वी लर्न टुडे, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and water. In our next class, we'll talk about balanced diet and some of the deficiency diseases. Okay, that's it for today. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.